How to fix Tinder matches disappeared. First, what you want to do is, if you have disappeared your Tinder matches over here, what you want to do is you want to simply check for internet connection. First, swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your Tinder application over here. Close the application completely from your recently opened section as well and open the application again. After that, you should check your matches again, and if you do not have any kinds of matches still, what you want to do is you want to also make sure that you are logged in onto the correct account over here. You can simply tap on your profile and here you'll be able to simply see your profile over here if you are on the correct account as well. And if you do not see your matches over here, what you can also do is you'd be able to simply clear your cache or data over here as well. Tap and hold on to your Tinder application, tap on app info and tap on storage and cache. After that, you want to simply clear your cache, clear your storage as well if you want to remove your account and log back in. And by doing so, the next time you try to log into the application, you shouldn't be having any kinds of errors. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.